Behold, the donor that makes organ theft look like a clean job. I got this little Golf Mk2 for its interior. The rest of it will probably end up in the scrapyard, as usual. Yeah, it's dirtier than my past, I think, or not. Full of spider webs and all the nice goodies. It's a shame because the body is quite straight, no rust, but it has no papers, so I don't know what I could do with it. I'll probably save a couple of other elements and that's it. Anyway, on the white Golf that I'm working on, I made quite a huge progress. All the bearings are now okay. The car runs quite nice. I'll leave a video with it running. The car pulls quite nice. I don't have any complaints about that. There's no more noise from the bearings. They were all shut, so I had to change them. But they are very cheap on this car, so no problem about that. Also, now I'm working on resolving the electrics issues. I'll do a cutaway and show you what I've done till now. Let's see. So I checked the fuses, which were alright. I did a continuity test on the fuse. The fuse was alright. Then I went to the relay. The relay wasn't clicking, wasn't doing anything. I switched it with one from the donor car. Again, nothing. Then I decided to jump it and simulate a closed relay. And then I saw that everything started working, as you'll see here. Here we have heater. I don't know if you can hear this, but the washer works. But nothing from the wipers. Even the back washer works. And it clicks, so we have wipers. The main problem, it looks to be the ignition switch. Probably try with the one from the donor, but I'll get a new one because I don't want to use a used one. I want to daily this car, but until then we have a lot of work. It's raining outside, so I really need to use the wipers. Otherwise, it's not the best idea to do it. What I'm glad that I got help with, it was the gear linkage, which is now very precise. No more wiggling and all that crap. Also, I got a hold on a beta cassette player from my old Passat B5, which had it from its factory. So I'll just swap this piece of crap with that one. Other than that, I'll take the buttons from the donor and replace these crappy ones. Also, it has this element with brake, so I'll want to replace this one as well. My main issue now is to open this door because it's locked. It's blocked, not just locked. I can't really do it, so I'll probably use a crowbar or something. The nice part is that I can use some of the buttons from the dashboard, and I'll try to see if the speedometer works on this one, because mine doesn't work. Other than that, I don't know what I could say. I'll also get the hook, because you can barely find hooks for Golf Mk2. The lights and the tail lights are quite okay. Also, let's open the trunk. Oh my, it sounds like my grandpa on his deathbed. Yeah, not that, worse. Anyway, I found in the car two of these grills. One is like mine, but it's broken. Maybe I can fix it, I don't know. Just keep it as a spare part. I think I can do it with a plastic welding machine. Maybe. Yeah, it can be done. It's easy enough. So I'll keep it as a spare part, and that one I'll probably just give it to someone who needs it. Also, there's a fan, and oh my god, I really need to use this carpet on my car because mine is utterly bald. I need the interior carpet. That will be quite an adventure to clean it. Someone put a front door handle on the back door. That's nice. I need this part because on my car someone decided to use previously a volcanic table cover, linoleum. It's what it's called here. I don't know if it's in English the same. Maybe I'll take off the mirrors, the badges. The fenders are in a really good shape, no rust whatsoever, so I'll take these with me as well. The rest will go to the scrapyard because sadly the car is done for. There's not much we can do with it. So stick with me if you like this kind of low energy stuff.